Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how the lifesteal upgrade works in the new Wasp event inside Grow Garden game of Roblox BCB update part 3. Okay, let's get into it guys. So basically, the lifesteal upgrade helps your bees recover health while attacking enemies. This means your bees can survive longer during combat instead of getting defeated very quickly. This becomes especially useful during the Wasp King boss fight because the boss deals a lot of damage over time. With lifesteal upgraded, your bees can continue fighting longer without constantly needing to respawn. And to get it, you need to open the upgrade tree and go to the combat upgrade section and start upgrading the live steel stat. This one, live steel. Where is it? Okay. I've already upgraded until level 2, and for the next level, I need 8k honey coins. The higher the level, the better your bees can sustain themselves during battle. I'm going to upgrade it, guys. Oh, and for the next one, I need 50k honey coins. So guys, if you want stronger survivability during the event, lifesteal is definitely a really good upgrade to invest in. Okay, and that's how the lifesteal upgrade works in Grow Garden game of Roblox BCB event update part 3. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and bye!